Today we are going to discuss the different parts of computer system and their functions. I am May Alarcon.
I am Lea Pabiga.
I am Kenneth Clarence Protesa. I am Vicky Carino. I am Adrian Amata.
So here are some basic parts of computer system.
Welcome to 1L Filipino Memorial High School. We're excited to have you here. This hands-on course offers valuable skills in ICT support, networking, and technology, all in high demand today. Choosing CSS can open doors to exciting career opportunities and give you a strong foundation in the ever-growing tech field. We encourage you to explore the computer system servicing short-term program. Start your journey with us and get ready for a future full of possibilities.
This is monitor. Monitor, it resembles a television. This is where the computer displays text and picture. The monitor works with a video card located inside a computer case to display images and text on the screen.
So this is keyboard. Keyboard, a device similar to a typewriter. Keyboard used for typing information into the computer.
So this is a mouse, a handheld device used to point, click, and move object on the monitor screen. Typically, a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons used to move a cursor around the screen.
Printer, a machine that prints a paper copy of what you see in the monitor.
The system unit is a box-like case that contains the electronic components of a computer.
Here you will find devices like the power supply, different drives, the fan, the connectors, and the motherboard. The hard disk drive. The hard disk drive is a high-capacity, non-volatile, magnetic data storage device with a volume that is usually non-removable.
Motherboard. The motherboard is sometimes called a system board or a main board. It is the main circuit board of a microcomputer. This component contains the connector for attaching additional board.
Random access memory or RAM is a short-term memory in the system. It accepts new information for temporary storage. Data is temporary. So those are some basic parts of computer system. That's all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello and good day, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the different parts of computer system and their functions. I am May Alarcon.
I am Lea Pabiga.
I am Kenneth Clarence Protesa.
Hello and good day, everyone.